Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within Coop openers, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage owner. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section.